I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things in.
All right, what's up, everybody? Check this out. Today, we are going to do a video on this TW and this TW. So specifically, we are going to be checking out the LED light bulb that I have in here, and we're going to compare that with the JNS Headlight on this bike. So stay tuned. We're going to take these bikes outside and we're going to do a little comparison. All right, folks, check this out. I got my wife here with me. She's right here. You can't see her because it is dark, but all right, so here's the deal. This here is the JNS Headlight. Now that's just the regular low beam, and that's the high beam. Now this high beam, I feel like it's, I don't know, it's okay. You can see the difference, obviously, of how it shines. But now we're gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna have my wife here turn the key on that bike. So that is the LED bulb. Now I have a light bar hooked up to this one, so the brights, I can't really compare this one, but we're gonna compare them anyways. So we're gonna kick on the brights to this bike versus, all right, turn that off, the brights to this bike. So this is the JNS brights. Now that one, and this is the bulb, and as you can see, I have the LED light bar wired in. So yes, it's not that fair, but the LED light bar basically shines down here. So the bulb is what you see up on the fence. I've got the light bar shining down here to give me some closer range. But once again, we're gonna have her, let's see, we're gonna turn off the brights. So these are just regular bulbs, low beam, not regular bulbs, they're the LED bulbs. This one here is the JNS Headlight. So turn that one on again. So here they are together. Here's the JNS. Turn that one on off. All right, so I have my brights on, so I'm gonna turn them off. So regular LED bulb off, regular JNS bulb. So I don't know, take your pick, you choose whatever you decide to put on your bike. It's gonna be fine. This right here is pretty expensive. I don't know the exact price. I'll pop up the price right here, and then the price on those ones. I will put the link in the description so you can buy a bulb if you want, but they're just as bright. In fact, this one I've got shining up a little bit, so it shines a little higher. The JNS shines a little lower, as you can see. But anyways, that's it. That's all this video is, just a comparison between the JNS Headlight and the LED bulb. Thanks for watching.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that